to divide 5x to the fourth minus x to the third plus 10x minus 4 by x minus 2 using long division, what we need to do is first see if there are any missing terms. So that means in this first polynomial, there's no x squared term between the x to the third and the x to the first term. So we need to put in a 0x squared in that spot. And then we're going to set up the division. So we're dividing 5x to the fourth minus x to the third plus 0x squared plus 10x minus 4 by x minus 2. Okay, so that's what this division is going to look like. Okay. And then the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this first term that we're dividing and look at the first term of what we're dividing by. And we're going to do that division. 5x to the fourth divided by x is equal to 5x to the third. Okay, and then we're going to write that term in the first spot of the division. Now we're going to multiply everything on the outside by that new term that's written on the top of the division. So x times 5x to the third is 5x to the fourth. And then negative 2 times 5x to the third is negative 10x to the third. So we've multiplied by that term, and now we're going to subtract what's written in row 2. So that means changing the signs of both of these pieces. So 5x to the fourth minus 5x to the fourth is 0. Negative x to the third plus 10x to the third is positive 9x to the third. And then I'm going to bring down the next term. This should have said 0x squared for that missing term. Okay, now we're going to divide 9x to the third by x, which is 9x squared. So that's going to be the next term of the division is positive 9x squared. Then we're going to multiply x by 9x squared, which is 9x to the third. And we're going to multiply negative 2 by 9x squared, which is negative 18x squared. Now we're going to subtract to get the remainder, so change the signs of both of these two multiplied terms. 9x to the third minus 9x to the third is 0. 0x squared plus 18x squared is 18x squared. And then bring down the 10x. Okay, now we want to divide 18x squared by x. Which is 18x. That'll be the next term in our division. Then we're going to multiply x by 18x is 18x squared. And negative 2 by 18x is negative 36x. Then we need to subtract to get the remainder, so change both of these signs. 18x squared minus 18x squared cancels. 10x plus 36x is 46x. And then bring down this negative 4. Okay, now we're dividing 46x by x, which is 46. So x times 46 is 46x. And negative 2 times 46 is negative 92. Then we need to subtract to get the remainder, so change the signs of both of these numbers. 46x minus 46x is 0. Negative 4 plus 92 is 88. So 88 is the remainder of this division. And the quotient is 5x to the third plus 9x squared plus 18x plus 46.